Hello everyone, this is Ranjan Kumar Kalindi and today we are going to discuss about a sample paper for BL exam for the post of Engineering Assistant Trainee, Technician C and Junior Assistant. So as we already discussed of syllabus for this exam, so in this exam total they are going to conduct written test in that paper 1 and paper 2 will be there. So in paper 1 total 50 marks question will become which is related to general aptitude. Okay, so in this video we are going to cover a sample paper which you can know like what kind of question, what type of question they may ask. Okay, so total 50 question is there in general aptitude. In this video I am going to cover only 25 question. In next video we will cover all question. Okay, so this is a part 1 video. Next video we will come with another 25 question. Okay, so let's start. For PDF and more updates you can download our we can join our Telegram channel. You can get this link in description box, or else you can directly search in Telegram Hardwork Limited. So you will get this channel, you join this one. Here you will get previous year question, PDF and notes and other updates you will get here only. Okay, now see question number 1. So general aptitude is consist of, in general aptitude you will get math, simple basic math questions, reasoning questions and GK questions. So here we will see the sample. So question number 1, what is the question? Select the option that will correctly replace the question mark in the given series. One given series is there. In this series he is asking what is the next number in this question mark. Okay, so 14, 18, 34, then 70 and next number we have to find. Okay, so whenever series type question will come, you have to be approached like this. First you find the gap here, 14 and 18, gap is 4. Again you find one more gap, so 18 and 34, what is the gap? It is, how much it is? It is 6. Okay, then in 70 and 34, in 70, sorry, this is 16, and here if you see 34 and 70, it will come how much? It is 36. Okay, so the next we have to find here first what is the gap here. Okay, so how we will find? If you see this sequence here 4, so you can consider this is 2 square, this is 4 square and this is 6 square. 2 square is 4, 4 square is 16 and 6 square is 36. So the next what will become here? 2, 4, 6. So next what will may come? It is 8. So it should be 8 square. So 8 square is what? 64. So the gap should be 64. So how this 64 will come? If some number is there and we will divide this one, I mean we'll find gap, so it should be 64. So now how we will find this number? Directly we can add 70 and 64. So how it will come? It will come 134. So here what should be the number? The question mark number should be 134, option C. So like this you have to solve this series question. Okay, we'll see. Next it is given A N B O C P D Q, and next we have to find. So in alphabetic also you will find some series question. So very simple approach is there. You have to compare like this: A, again it will come B, then B to C, then C to D. So obviously after D what it will come? It will come E. Again for next, N to O, N O, O P, P Q. So next would be Q to R. So ER. Next what is the number? I mean alphabet, it is ER. Option D is the right answer. Okay. Next, average of first 50 natural number is. So we have to find the average of first 50 natural number. Natural number means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that till 50 we have to find the average. And what is the average? Average is nothing but average equal to what? Summation of observation, summation of objects and total number. Okay, so like here according to formula, you have to calculate 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus like that plus till 50. After that total number is how much? 50. So if you calculate, you will get the answer. So here we will use a sort method. Okay, in average we'll use sort method, not formula based method. How you will use this one? Whenever the number is in sequence means like 1 2 3 4, so it is in sequence. So what you need to do, you have to take first number and last number. 1 plus 50 and divided by 2 number is there, so divided by 2. So it is how much? 51 divided by 2, that is equal to 25.5. So this is the average. Option C is the right answer. Okay, next we'll see. Next, what is A is to B is 4 is to 3, B is to C is 2 is to 3, C is to D is 1 is to 2, then A is to B is to C is to D, this you need to find. Okay, so A is to B is to C is to D. This question came from ratio. So what to do? See, just follow this thing how I am doing. Okay, so A is to B. A is to B, what is the value? 4 is to 3. Okay. Next, for B is to C, it is 2 is to 3. For C is to D, it is 1 is to 2. So first you need to write like that. After that, this ratio you have to put like this only in a line. Okay. After that, what to do? After that, you have to place only the last number. Here the last number, what is this? This is 3, so you have to place 3 here, you have to place 3 here. Again in this blank, last, what is the last number? 3, so you have to place 3 here. Now here one blank is there, here and here one blank is there. So in this line, what is this number? Means before blank or after blank, what are the number, you have to place that one. So here 2 is there, so you have to put 2. In this blank, nearby 1 is there, so you have to put 1 here. Okay, and 1 here, like that you have to place, like that you have to make. After that, what you need to do, you have to multiply all the number. For A, it is 4 into 2 into 1, that is equal to what? 6, 8. Okay, then 3 into 2 into 1, that is equal to 6. Then 3 into 3 into 1, 9, and 3 into 3 into 2, that is 18. Okay, so 8 is to 6 means 8 ratio 6 ratio 9 ratio 18. Yeah, this is, what is this? This is option B. It's matching with option B, so option B is the right answer. Okay, like that you have to solve this question. Next, where was the Dandi March held in Karnataka? So Dandi March held in Karnataka, in which place? Ankol. Option B is the right answer. With which of the following sports is in which of the following sports is Indian sports person Bhavani Devi associated? So Bhavani Devi associated with fencing. Okay. Next, Karunchagiri is located in which district of Karnataka? So it is located in Bellary district of Karnataka. So like that, some GK related or question will come. GK related, general awareness or current affair related question will also you have to see. Now the next question, the ratio of Ram's age to the age of Ravi age is 11 is to 3. The difference between their age is 24 years. The ratio of their ages after 3 years will be. Okay, so here in question, Ram and Ravi, 2 person is there. Their ratio is given 11 and 3. Age of ratio it is given. The next, it is telling like the difference between their age is 24. So difference it is mentioned here. So for solving this question, if you see in this ratio and if you find the difference 11 minus 3. Okay, so 11 minus 3, it is 8. Okay, in according to ratio the difference is coming how much? 8. But in question what is the difference given? It is 24. Difference is given, so 24 divided by 8, that is equal to 3. So multiple of 3 more it is given in question. So likewise you have to multiply this 3 in this 2 ratio. So it is 11 into 3, this is 33, and this is what? This is 9. Okay. Now again, if you see the question, the ratio of their age after 3 years. So after 3 years, what is the ratio of their age? So after 3 years, this is the present age of Ram and Ravi. Now we have to move 3 year more. Okay. So 3 year you have to add. So it is 36, and this is what? This is 12. Okay. So the future means after 3 year, age of Ram is 36 and age of Ravi is 12. Okay. So here the question asks the ratio. For ratio, what you need to do, if like ratio it's coming 36, ratio 12, so you have to make smaller. How you will make it smaller? Within a one table you have to divide all these things. Like in a 12 table, 12 1 is 12 and 12 3 is 36. So 3:1. The ratio will be what? 3:1. Option A is the right answer. Likewise, you have to solve the question. Find the circumference of circle of radius, which is given 10.5 centimeter. So if we talk about circumference of circle equal to 2 pi r. Simple formula is there, 2 pi r. You have to put the value and get the answer. 2 into pi is 22 by 7, and r, what is the radius? Radius is 10.5 centimeter. So you can do like this. You can put 110 here, and 7, this is 15, then 15, 3, this is 2, like that you can solve, and 22 into 3, that is equal to 66 centimeter. Option D is the right answer. Okay. Next, in a code language, MIXER is coded as 75261, PROF is coded as 91884. Then how would PREFXI be coded in the same language? So whenever you will see in a coding decoding part, the question will come with alphabet and number. If 2 is given and next third one is asking, then simple, by seeing question only you can get the answer. Here if you see PREFX, you need to find. Okay. And here in a question, MIXER, so it is written as 75261, and for PROOF it is 91884. Okay. So here already in a question the code is given for the respective letter. For M it is 7, I it is 5, X it is 2, E it is 6, R it is 1, P 9, R 1, O 8 8, and F for F. Like that respective code is already given. You have to just find from the question. So in a question what they ask, PREFIX. So for P what is the code? P it is 9. For R where R is here, R is 1. For E is here, E code is 6. For F is here, F code is 4. And I is I is here, I code is 5. And X where X is here, X code is 2. So 916452, 916452. Option B is the right answer. Okay. By seeing question only you can find the answer. Next, you go north, turn right. Okay. So this question comes from direction. So first what you need to do, you have to make first direction. So this is north, this is south, this is east, this is west. Like that you have to make direction. After that you have to go according to question. What is the question? You are here. Okay, suppose you are here, you go north. So you go north is this side. So your left is this one, your right is this one. Okay. After that turn right. Now you have to turn right. So left is this one, right is this one. Now then right again you have to turn right. So left this one, right this one again, and then go to the left. Now you have to go left. Okay, now what is the question? In which direction are you now? So which direction you are going? You are going in this direction, means in this direction, means east. So you are going in east direction. Option C is the right answer. Okay, next. Who invented the X-ray? X-ray invented by W.K. Roentgen. Okay, option B is the right answer. Who is considered as the father of Indian space program? So it is Dr. Vikram Ambala Sarabhai. Okay, next. Aga Khan Cup is associated with which of the following games? So Aga Khan Cup is associated with hockey. Hockey is our national game. Next. Divide rupees 672 in the ratio of 5:3. So here what is the question? It is 5. Question given 5:3. So it's asking if you divide this one in a ratio of 5:3, then what is your answer? Means how you will divide this one. So first we will see according to ratio. If we add this one, it will come 8. So in a ratio, 8 is divided in among this ratio. Okay, 5:3. But if you see in a question, it is showing 672. 672 we have to divide. How much it is more? So if you divide by 8, it will come how much? It will come 4. So 84. Multiple of 84, it is more in a question. So likewise you have to multiply this 84 with this one and this 84 with this one. So 5 into 84, it is 420, and 3 into 84, it is 252. Okay, so this is option A. Option A is the right answer. Okay, likewise you have to solve the question. Now a man buy a book in 1200 rupees and sold it in rupees 1500, then find the profit percent. Okay, so here you can see like what okay, so here it's given first cost price of book. A man buy a book means he is buying, means cost price it is given, it is how much? 1200 rupees. Next, the book is sold by 1500, means selling price how much? 1500. Now in a question it's asking profit percent. So first we need to find profit. So profit is, how we will calculating profit? Profit is selling price minus cost price. So selling price how much it is? It is 1500 minus 1200, so it is 300. So how much profit we are getting? I mean that person getting, it's getting 300 rupees. Now we need to calculate profit percent. So profit percent is nothing but profit divided by cost price into 100. So profit how much? 300, and cost price 1200 into 100. Okay, so now it is 300 divided by 12, that is equal to 25%. So option C is the right answer. Okay, next. In the given Venn diagram, the circle represent PhD student, the triangle represent this circle represent PhD student, this triangle is represent what? Science students, and the rectangle represent girls. The number given in the shapes represent the number of person of their particular category. How many girls are PhD? Question, what is the question? How many girls are PhD students but not a science student? So he is asking about girls. So in this shape, this rectangle part is girl. Okay, rectangle part is girl. In girl, who is PhD student? PhD student means this circle wala part. So here only 8, 40 and 11 who are in PhD student of girl, and it's mentioned not a science student, So science, which is represent the science triangle. So whoever are coming in under this triangle, we no need to consider that one. So 40 is coming in where? Under the triangle, means science student. So only 8 and 11 are a PhD girl. So 8 plus 11, that is equal to 19% are PhD student. Option B is the right answer. Now arrange the following words in the order which they appear in the English dictionary. I hope you must see English dictionary. In the English dictionary, the word arrangement are like a alphabetic manner. Okay, so here like D series it is there. So in D series, if you see the dictionary, the words and whatever it is there, it will like alphabetic. It will arrange. So here first we'll see who will come first in a dictionary. So first letter is D, D, D everywhere, then I, A, A. Okay, in these three are common for everyone. Now we'll compare the next one. This is L, L, M, B, B. So L, M, B. Which one will come first in alphabet? So B will come. So B is here, B is here. Now we will compare 4 and 5. So B and B, E and E, T and T. Till here it is same. Now we have to find between I and E. In I and E, which one will come first? So which one is coming first in alphabet? Obviously E will come first. So the first word is 5. Okay, the first word is 5. Next will after that what will come? 4 it will come. Then we'll find among these three which one will come first. So here this 3 is common for all. Now this is L, L, this is M. So L and M, who will come first? L and M, who will come first? So who will come first in alphabet? L will come first. So now we will compare 1 and 2. L and L here. Now O and Y. Between O and Y, who will come first in alphabet? O will come. So the third word in appear in dictionary, that is equal to that is 1. Then 2, then the last one is 3. Okay, the last one is 3. So like that in a dictionary this word will appear. First 5 will come, then 4, then 1, then 2, then 3. So option C is the right answer. Okay, next, where is the National War Memorial of India located? So War Memorial of India is located in New Delhi. Option A. Where in the Vikram Sarabhai Space Center located? So it is located in Trivandrum. The first woman Chief Justice of High Court in India was. So first woman Chief Justice of High Court was Leela Seth. Option B is the right answer. Next. Now, so next question from math. So basic math. It is like work and time subject is there. Chapter is there. From there it's question asked. So here you see question is asking A and B separating finish a work in 10 days and 15 days. A is going to complete any work in 10 days and B is going to complete any work in 15 days. Okay, like that it is mentioned. Then they together can finish if they will work together, then how much time it will take. So first we need to find total work, how much we have total work. So for that we have to take LCM of 10 and 15. If you took LCM of 10 and 15, you will get how much? 5 into 2 into 3, that is equal to 30. So total work, this is called total work. So total work is how much? 30. Now we need to find efficiency. This 30 work is there. So in a one day A how many work is doing? So directly you can 30 by 10, because A can complete this 30 work in a 10 days. So 30 by 10, that is equal to what? 3. So this is called efficiency. So A is going to finish 3 work in a single day. That's why it is taking 10 days to complete this 30 work. Likewise for B, 30 divided by 15, that is equal to 2. So B is going to finish a 2 work in a single day. That's why he is taking 15 days to complete this 30 work. Okay, now question is asking together. If they will work together, then how much time they will take? So for together total work is how much? 30, and efficiency how much? 3 plus 2. So 30 divided by 5, that is equal to 6. So 6 days they will take if they will work together. Option D is the right answer. Next, find the HCF and LCM of 16 and 24. 16 and 24 we need to find the HCF and LCM. So first we will find HCF. So HCF, for HCF, how you will find HCF? HCF, there are two methods to find HCF. Like you can by factor you can find, and by dividing process you can find. So we will go by dividing method. So if you divide this one, it will come how much? It will come this much. So again you have to divide this 8, this 16. So it is how much? This is cross. Now this is over. So HCF is how much? HCF is 8. Okay. Now we are going to find LCM. LCM, how you will find? 16 and 24 we have to factor this one. So 2 in a 2 table, 16 will come 8 times, and 24 how much? 12. Okay. Then again 2, this is 4, this is 3. So this much. Correct. Correct. So 2 into this is what? Correct. So this is what? 2 into 2 into 4 into 3. Okay. So sorry, यहाँ पे 3. 2 into 2 into 4 into 3, that is equal to what? 48. So LCM is how much? LCM is 48. So HCF is 8 and LCM is 48. Option A is the right answer. Next, in a certain code language, minus represents plus, plus represents into represents divide, divide represents minus. Find out the answer to the following question. So here one question is given. We have to arrange this question according to this represents. So 10 plus, here plus is there, so plus in a question, plus here plus represents into, plus represents into, so we have to write here into. Then 20 here multiply, so multiply, this one multiply represents what? Divide. So this is representing what? Divide, divided by here what? 10. Again this divide, so divide represents what? Minus. So here minus 20, and minus represents what? Plus. So here plus 8. Now you have to solve this one according to board mass. You must be know board mass. Okay, board mass. What is board mass? This is bracket of means multiply only, D is divide, M is multiply, A is addition, S is subtraction. So like that we have to go. So in this first we have to go with what? Division, after that multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So first we will divide 20 and 10. So if you divide 20 divided by 10, it will come 2. Okay, again we have to multiply now. So 10 into 2, this is 20 minus 20 plus 8. Now we have to add, this is in plus, this is in plus. So 20 plus 8, this is 28 minus 20, that is equal to 8. So option D is the right answer. Like that you have to solve the question. So in this video we are going to discuss about only this 25 question. This last question you have to give the answer. You just go in a comment section and give the answer of this question. Okay, in the next video we are going to cover next 25 question. Okay, till now if you like this video, just give a like and share with your friends, and if you not subscribe my channel, subscribe the channel, so that we are connect forever. Okay, thank you.